I kept seeing the hand of God with me. I feel great. I'm in no pain at all. I came barely able to walk, but now I can run down the hall. Hello, my name is Janice Stevenson, and I came to Uchee Pines from Huntsville, Alabama. This is quite a story that I have to tell. I learned about Uchee Pines from friends and church magazines like Message Magazine and Southern Tidings. And I really wanted to come here because before coming, I was diagnosed with breast cancer. I did not realize the journey was going to be like this. I had a mastectomy in November 2018. I thought I was doing well. This is my first time with a mastectomy, so I didn't know what options to choose, but I chose to get an expander because I thought that would be the best thing to do. However, 1 week before I came to Uchee Pines, seemed like it was really rather tight and a little bit red, and I didn't know that I had an infection. My doctor said, oh, it's okay, we're injecting it and you'll be fine. So I believed that I would be fine. But when I arrived at Uchee Pines, I started having chills. After maybe 5 days being here, I was having chills. And then I felt like, I don't get chills, I must have a fever. And after a while, got my temperature taken only to find out it was over 100. And so then I realized there must be an infection somewhere. And the strangest things started happening. Even though I was doing the teas that they gave me, I think I had 8 different teas concocted together to make something for me to drink each day, and some natural herbs that they gave me, fever bath treatments. Do you see this tub? You can step right inside. This is where I would have my fever treatments. This procedure helps to make my body, raise my body temperature, to increase my white blood cells, to fight the bad radicals in my body, and then they cool me off. It was quite challenging because I like nice hot water, and it would stay hot until the end, until they had to cool me. So to make it through, I was singing, take me to the water. And then I made it through. Hot fomentations to my back, some salve to my knee, and then for some reason, something started oozing out of my breast. I did not have any holes or anything on me. My incision was old, it was tight and all that, but this started happening. And as it progressed, I became worried. And to be honest, I was petrified scared, because I woke up one morning to get ready to take a shower only to realize the incision had totally ruptured. I didn't know what an expander looked like. I never saw it, but it was exposed. But the doctor here she was on it. She did an ultrasound. She told me what she saw. She said, Janice, I hate to tell you this, but this is an emergency. I'm going to pack this and we're going to get you to the hospital right away. And so I went to Columbus Hospital. But even in the midst of trials, I want to stop and say this. Still look for God. Now, I'm frightened. I'm scared to death. I literally thought I was going to die. But when I got to Columbus Hospital, St. Francis Hospital, the person who attended to me there was a former student. Can you imagine that? God sent that young man to provide comfort to me because I had no one else there with me. And then they kept me for a few hours. They pumped me up with a lot of antibiotics. And then I was transported by ambulance to Huntsville, Alabama, because that's where the original surgery was. And all this whole journey, I'm like, I didn't understand what was going on. But I need to tell you this. I kept seeing the hand of God with me, because when I got in that ambulance, the young man that was in there as one of the attendants was one of my students' best friends. And only then did I find out that he was off that day. But he decided to come in because my student had asked him, please, this is my teacher. She was my teacher. I'm where I am today because of her. Please, could you just, so he said, okay. So he signed in on his off day so that he could transport me to Huntsville, Alabama. I thought that was amazing in itself. But the next thing that happened drew tears to my eyes. That young man sat behind me in the ambulance and he filled out all the paperwork that was required. And then he said, I want to come sit back there with you. And when he sat beside me, he said, I want to know the God that you told Joanne about. So from Columbus, Georgia, all the way to Huntsville, I was given a Bible study while I was lying on that gurney in that ambulance. I knew it was nothing but God. I knew there was a bigger picture than I could even see or understand. And today I'm sitting before you. I'm sitting here with my blood pressure 56 points lower than it was when I came to Uchee Pines. I am sitting here with my blood sugar 142 points lower. I feel great. I'm in no pain at all. I came barely able to walk, but now I can run down the hall. God is in this place. He's in the treatment. They pray. The worship is amazing. If you need help, natural help, help ordained by God, see your way to Uchee Pines. You'll be glad that you did.